Corsair 5000T RGB, mid-tower case. A total of 208 programmable RGB LEDs, 3 into Corsair LL120 RGB fans included, 16 RGB LEDs per fan. Icue Commander Core XT included. RGB LED controller for all 6 zones. Customize and sync your RGB lighting. Fits up to 10 into 120mm or 4 into 40mm case fans. Fits multiple radiators, up to 360mm in the front, and up to 360mm in the roof or motherboard tray. Flexible storage options up to 2 into 3.5-inch HDDs, up to 5 into 2.5-inch SDDs. Rapid route cable management system. 4 into USB 3.0, 1 into USB 3.1 Type-C. Optional vertical GPU mount configuration. Tool-free tempered glass side panel. Available in black or white. Corsair 5000T RGB mid-tower case. Bold style, brilliant lighting.